Hi guys, join me as I make this delicious meat pie, Nigerian meat pie from scratch, and I will show you just how easy it can be and you can make it by yourself. So firstly, we're going to make our filling, and for that we're going to start by sauteing onions, and then we're also going to add our minced meat in a pan. And then we're going to fry those until it's brown, just to make sure we're no longer seeing that pink color. Saute it until brown, and then we're going to go in with our potatoes and our carrots. You're going to stir these until they are soft and fragrant. I love making meat pie because they bring back so many fun memories of my childhood. There is something about that flaky and savory feeling that gets me every time. Then we're going to go ahead and add our salt. We're going to add seasoning cube. We're also adding thyme and curry powder. You give that a stir, and then you go in with 2 tablespoons of flour. That's going to add as our thickener, just to make it a little thick. And then we're going to cover with water. Go in with a little water, and then you cover the pot and let that cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you open it and you bring it down to cool. And now we're going to make our dough. You need all-purpose flour. You're going to need baking powder, salt. You stir this together, and you're also going to add sugar and unsalted butter. So make sure it's cold, okay? Use cold unsalted butter. Then you're going to break this down until it's crumbly. Okay? You break it down until it resembles a car's crumbs. And then you gradually add some water, mixing together until the dough comes together in a bowl or on a floured mat. Alright, whichever one is easy for you. Okay, after kneading, you put in a cling film, and then you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, you take it out. Okay, now the dough and the filling is ready. It's time to assemble the pies. Alright, we're going to roll out the dough on a floured surface. I use the cookie cutter, like you can see, to cut them into sizes. And then you're going to roll out the dough. Alright, be very gentle when rolling. Don't force it too much. Now I'm using that plate or that bowl to cut out my shapes. Just to cut it out in circles, and then I'm going to spoon in the fillings onto 1/2 of the circle. Then I'm just gonna brush the edges with a little egg. Yeah, like that. You can use egg or you can use water. Brush it with little egg and fold the other half over. You fold it like so. You press the edges together to seal the pie, and you can also use the fork like normal. Just press it together until the edges is firmly sealed. You just go ahead and do the same to all your pies. Go in with the fillings, brush the edges with eggs, pull it over, and then you seal. Alright, when you finish assembling your pies, you're just going to go ahead and pierce them, to give it that authentic Nigerian meat pie look. We're going to pierce this into 4. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how you know the authentic Nigerian meat pie. Okay, the moment of truth is when we brush the tops with the beaten egg. Yeah, and then you're going to bake them until they're golden brown. Alright, it's all about the technique, people. Okay, make sure to brush the egg in a gentle swooping motion to get that perfect sheen. And there you have it, a delicious Nigerian meat pie that is sure to impress your families and friends. The best part is that it's very easy to make and you can customize the filling to your taste. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I hope I've inspired you to make your own meat pie at home. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite meat pie fillings and check out my other recipes, okay? Thank you.